Listen, guys, JD Cat 26 just a tips, repairs, and hobbies. And you see this AI image video generator? Okay, we got that. We're going to look that up on the internet. So let's go to the internet and put in open art. If I can spell it right, guys. And then we're going to go to images. And see, there it is right there. So right click and go to image. Okay, copy image. Like that. Okay. Then click on this right here. Go right click and go to get info. And then up here, left click, make it blue. And on your keyboard, go Command V. Okay. Close it out, and there it is. That's how you put on an iMac an image for your link to the website. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you watching, contributing, sharing, giving the thumbs up, and doing hypes on my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.